When the days are cold and the cards all fold, all the saints we see are made of gold, and the dreams all fail, and the ones we fail are the worst of all. The blood's running. I wanna hide the truth. I wanna shelter
namin kayo batiin ng
the beast.
Happy Birthday! Sabi ko sa'yo, maligaya yun sa'yo eh.
No matter what we breathe,
Message.
still I'm made of greed. This is my kingdom come.
Ano?
This is my
When you're sad.
kingdom come. When you feel
When you're
look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
Rebond
Don't
din.
get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my
Happy birthday,
demons
mga
hide.
kapatid.
It's where my
Sobrang
demons
nakakainan din yung sarili natin sa
hide.
camera. Papalo namin yung kabaliwan namin. Pero dahil mahal naman namin kayo, effort ko. Nakaka 1 minute and 23 seconds na kami. So, para kay John, stay strong. Strong tayo, di ba? Para kay Ronje, matangkad ka pa. More pogi to come. You both. Yes. From 9. Last. Yes. Hirap na ni artista.
I wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Though this is all for you, don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat,
Buhay pa yung dalawa.
it's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
Napasabi nga pala
It's
si
where my
Elia.
demons hide. Yeah.
Naya din si Ronje.
They say it's what you make. They say it's what you fake.
Message namin.
Kakanta
Kakanta mo na si Kuya Daman. Kuya Daman, come on, dali! May klase mo ba kayo?
Hello, Ronji!
I can't escape
May
this
message.
now unless you show me how.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Unless you show me how.
Okay,
Guys,
cut!
muna tayo mo.
Kaya ang ganda-ganda ko.
Yeah,
Happy
yeah.
birthday!
When you feel my heat, look into my
Nanay!
It's where my demons
Birthday
hide.
ulit,
It's
Ronji.
where my
Ay, mawala isa sa
demons
video,
hide.
Ronji.
Don't get too
Bakit
close.
naman, guys?
It's
Your
dark
support.
inside.
Ang tanong natin si Ronji.
Kanta na, happy birthday.
Where my
One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
God is you.
Tinahan namin yun eh, klase yan.
Magpasalamat kayo kasi namanan niyo yung kagandahan to. Kapapuan niya. At kaputian niya. Jom, sorry nga pala.
Jom, magpaputi ka na.
Jom, stay strong. Pinagluta tayo. Ay, si Nenay yung nagsabi ng Jom.
Ano ka?
Luta tayo daw.
Maligo ka ng gatas, gano'n.
Yung gatas ng kalaba parang mas effective.
Oo, yung nainitinit pa.
Tignan mo, alam mo siya ginawa niya? Nagtalok pa siya.
Ngayon mo, puti. Ano sigil yan?
Ako dati ganyan din putis ko kasi nag-budget. Ano yung lagay ako? Okay. Oh, magaganda.
Maputi ako kigil yan.
No! Oh, patunay. Oh!
Oh, sige. Sige.
Sino mas maputi, Alia? Ako.
Pero happy birthday. Si Jom nga pala.
Pag masyado, babay na.
Kanina lang masaya ka.
Oo, kanina lang mas babay na. Oh, guys, kung masyadong magsista, dapat huwag medyo bad boy, dapat good lang. Kaya yung sige daw.
Kaya ka. Nani
Hindi, bad lang. Hindi, bad lang, may klase na.
Bye-bye. 5 minutes
Okay,
na.
bye! 5 minutes and 7 time. Bye!
Years to know what love is. And it takes some fears to make you trust. It takes those tears to make it rust. It takes the dust to have it polished. Yeah. Ah, la 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 la, life is wonderful. Ah, la 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 la,
Arte mo?
life is full circle. Ah, la 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 la,
Pakulo lang yung hindi pagpansin sa'yo. Naging inarte lang kami nila daw sa kanila. Pero happy birthday sa'yo rin, Ronji. Belated sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday. I love you both. More pogi points to come. Tsaka, message ko, I may not be the best nanay in the school. But, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo pag magkakasama tayo. Kahit na napakadami
Takes a
tayo.
loss before you
And
found.
yun lang, nahiya kasi ako mag-video, hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa ni
Takes a
Dom,
road to
ni
go nowhere.
Ito lang yung kaya ko, boses lang. So, yun lang. Short message. I love you both. Happy birthday. Love. Happy birthday. Yun, tsaka ano pala. Hindi pa tatapusin. Biglaan lang, ang dami ko kasing ginagawa kasi hindi natapos yung video. Pero dahil sobrang liit na ng body namin, papakita ko na kahit di natapos. Kahit di kami kompleto, kulang yung family natin sa pag-celebrate. Always remember na we're always grateful. Ayoko nang madrama, nakakalok. Yung bloopers sa na idadagdag ko na lang ha. Bye-bye. Love.